collecting a green chip, and building our bets from the inside out. Hey everyone, it's Mike. Welcome back to my channel. So this is a review of a strategy that I played probably 2 years ago, where I'm really just trying to use place bets and I'm trying to collect or rack green chips when they come available. And the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to start off at a $10 table. And I'm going to start off by placing $25 on the 6 and 8, which will automatically cap to 30. Okay. If the 6 or 8 hits, it wins $35. I will rack 25 of that, and the extra $10, the remaining $10, I will then place to the adjacent number. So if I hit the 8, I will place it on the 9. So I will rack the 25 and place 10 on the 9. If the 6 hits, and I win 35, I will rack 25 and place 10 on the 5. Okay? If that happens again for the second time, if the 8 hits, I win 35. I rack the 25 and I put the extra 10 on the adjacent number. Okay? So now I have 20. Okay? So now if my 9 hits, my 20 will win 28, I think it is. And I will rack the green chip and put the remainder on the 10. Okay, does that make sense? Okay, so let's go ahead and give this a try. So I've got everything reset. I'm going to go ahead and follow the puck. So let's go ahead and roll for a point. Okay, the point is a 6. So now I'm going to put 25 on the 6 and the 8. It's going to cap it to 30 each. I'm looking for one hit here. There's a 7 out. So we got to start over. Let's go ahead and get the next shooter. Let's go ahead and roll for a point. And there's the 4. Let's go ahead and set up 6 and 8, 30 each. So this is 60 total. If you want enough money to bet 10 shooters, you would need $600. Okay. So this is our second shooter. Let's go ahead and see if we can get a 6 or an 8. There's a 9, a 5, another 9, and the point is a 4. The puck is off. Our bets are off. Let's go ahead and get another point established. Same shooter. It's an 8. Let's go ahead and roll. There's an 11. There's a 5. Another 5. There's the 6. That wins 35. We'll collect 25 and put 10 on the 5. Okay. I'll go ahead and put our goals up here in the upper left corner. There's the 8. Now that's the point. The puck is off. So let's roll for a point. It's a 4. Now let's take the $35 that we just won on the 8. Let's rack 25 of it. And let's put 10 of it on the 9. Okay. Let's go ahead and roll. There's a 10. Don't have it yet. Another 10. There's an 8. That's a $35 winner. So on this one, we'll take the 35. We will rack 25. We'll rack a green chip. That leaves us with 10. And we'll put that other 10 on the 9. And now we have the 9 set where we want. Okay. We're trying to get 30 on the 6 and 8, 20 on the 5 and 9, 15 on the 4 and 10. Let's roll. There's the 4. That's the point. Puck is off. Bets are off. Same shooter coming out for a new point. It hits a 4 again. Bets are back on. Let's roll. 7 out. Okay, now we go to shooter 3. Let's go ahead and roll for a point. There's the 5. Let's go ahead and set up 30 on the 6 and 8. Let's roll. There's the 8 that wins 35. We rack 25. 10 of it goes on the 9. Let's roll. Quick 7 out. Third roll. Let's get to the next shooter. Come out roll. There's a 7 on the come out roll. Doesn't help. It doesn't hurt. Another 7. There's a 12. There's the 9. Puck moves to the 9. Let's get set up. 25 on the 6 and 8, capped 30. There's the 8 that wins 35. We'll rack 25 and put 10 on the 9. Let's roll. And there's the 9. It wins 14. Now the puck is off because that was the point. So let's roll and get a point. There's the 9. Puck's back on the 9. Now let's take that $14 win and let's put 10 of it on the 9. And let's rack the other $4. So now we have the 9 where we want it. Let's go ahead and roll. There's the 8. That wins 35. Rack the 25, rack the green chip, and put 10 on the 10. We've already got the 9 where we want it. We want to get the 10 up to 15. Okay, let's roll. There's the 10. It wins 18. So we can go ahead and get our 10. We can take 5 of that and press the 10 to 15 and rack the 13. Now we've got this side set the way we want it. 8, 9, and 10 should all win us a green chip. Let's roll. There's a 3, no help. 4, no help. 2, no help. There's the 8. Now, since we've got this side already taken care of, why don't we go ahead and rack 25, rack a green chip, and take 10 of it, and let's take it over to the 5. Okay? Let's roll. There's the 8 again. Let's go ahead and rack 25, rack the green chip, and take the other 10 and put it on the 5. And now we have the 5 where we want it. We just got to get the 4 now. And there's the 5. It wins 28. Okay, so we can take 15 of that. 15 of that, put it on the 4. Okay, and take 13 of it and put it in our rack. So now we're set where we want. Now what we want to do is collect a green chip and take the rest of it and start pressing, and then press from the middle out. So the 6 and 8 would get pressed first, and press it out to the 5 and 9 and to the 4 and 10. Okay. Well, there's the 7 out. So we got to where we wanted to get. I think I explained how this should work. Now we just have to execute. So that lost 130. So maybe we incorporate a couple collects in here so we can try to get out of the hand. But let's go ahead and go to shooter 5 and get a point established. The point's a 9. Let's go ahead and get the 25 on the 6 and 8 capped to 30. And let's roll. There's the 8. That wins 35. We rack a green chip, put the remaining 10 on the 9. Another 8. We're going to rack 25 and put the remaining 10 on the 9. We have the 9 set where we want it. There's a 10. We don't have a 10 yet. There's the 9, and that's the point. So the first thing we're going to do is roll for a new point, and it's a 6. Now we're going to take that $28 winning, and we're going to put 15 of it on the 10, and we'll rack 13. Okay? We just got to get the 4 and the 5 set. There's the 9. That wins 28. So we could take 20 of it and put it on the 5 and rack 8. I'm just trying to get to our goal. Let's go ahead and roll. There's an 11, no help. There's the 5. It wins 28. Let's put 15 of it on the 4 and rack 13. So now we're where we're at. So now let's see if we can't get a long run right here. And maybe we should do a collect and then press. So maybe our first hit will collect. There's the 4. It wins 27. Let's collect it. Okay. Instead of just collecting the green chip, let's collect all of it. Let's collect the green chip and the other $2. Okay. And there's our 7 out. So there we lost 130, but we're still up 51 for that shooter. So we were out of the hand. But it took us 10 rolls of the dice to get set up to where we wanted. Okay. But that's the thought behind this. I mean, someone's going to put in the comment, why don't you just go ahead and put 30 on the 6 and 8, 20 on the 5 and 9, and 15 on the 4 and the 10, and just start rolling and hope to get a long roll. That's perfectly fine, but that's $130. That's $130 in bets versus only having $60 in bets. Okay. So you got to weigh that out. Do you want to just get set up the way you want, or do you want to build your way to where you want? Okay. So that's our strategy for today. Let's look at our individual shooters. Very short rolls, 2, 3, not very good. But our longer rolls, here's an 18 roll, 16 roll, 11 roll, and those all yielded positive results. Okay. So that's going to do it for our video for today. It's going to be called Rack the Green Chip and Build from the Inside Out. Okay. Hope everyone's having a great day. And as always, thanks for watching.